Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my super sleek, super modern Kaluns kitchen utensil set. I really love everything about these. The color is gorgeous. Let me show you how they all look. So you have 24 beautiful pieces in this set. So you don't just replace all of your normal utensils. You also get your measuring cups, ice cream scoop, peeler, grater. I mean, just everything you need. So it's a total rehaul of your utensils. They have this great stainless steel base that's rust resistant, and these are nice lightweight nylon utensils. So they're heat resistant, they work really well, and they're this beautiful khaki color. It's almost like a touch of rose. There is like a little hint of pink in it, which I love. I think that these are beautiful. They're super feminine. They're super modern. The metal parts of the utensils are very well made, like this ice cream scoop. It doesn't feel cheap. Same with this can opener that works great. And they just look so pretty on the counter. They also don't stain. So here I have got it with tomato sauce and then washed it up, and look, no stains at all. So you don't have to worry about that. They're also heat resistant. The spatula is nice and thin to get under your food, and it works great. Even though it's really lightweight, it still is sturdy enough to flip food with no problem. And you can see there's no discoloration or melting after using it. Another thing I like is this metal handle that you can just rest against your pan without worrying about it melting. If you are looking to update the look of your kitchen, you can definitely start with your utensils. I love having a matching utensil set. It looks gorgeous, it makes me feel happy to cook, and I just highly recommend them. But that's just my point of view.